In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Canva. Whether you've recently switched to a new email provider or just want to update your contact information, this guide will walk you through the process quickly and easily. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident in managing your Canva account settings to ensure you're always connected with them in the most current way. To kick things off, let's sign into your Canva account on your favorite browser. Once you're logged into Canva, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see an icon that looks like a gear, which is the settings icon. Click on this icon. You're entering the settings area, which houses all the personal information for your account. Now that you've navigated to the settings page, you'll see various options available to adjust your account to fit your needs. What we're looking for is the edit option, which allows you to make changes to your email. Clicking on edit ensures that your settings are open for adjustments, so keep an eye out for any visibly editable sections on the page. The next pivotal step involves entering a special security code. Canva will send this code to your existing email address as a safeguard to confirm it's actually you who is trying to make changes. So go ahead, check your inbox for an email from Canva. Locate the email that contains your verification code. If it doesn't pop up right away, be sure to look in your spam or junk folders just in case. Once you've got the email and you've found your code, come back to the settings page on Canva, enter this verification code in the specified field to validate your identity. This step makes sure that only authorized users can change the account email. With the code now verified, you will see a field where you can enter your new email address. Think of this as replacing your old contact details with the new ones. Carefully type in your new email address, making sure you enter it correctly to avoid future login issues. Double check for any typos or spaces. A simple typo now can lead to frustration later. After you've input your new email address, make sure to save your changes. You might be prompted to enter your password again to verify the change, which is another security measure to protect your account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your email address on Canva. Remember, this new address will be your primary contact with Canva, so any future notifications or updates will go straight there. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to revisit these steps. Thank you for joining me today and happy designing. You say